looking for sump pump installation in Strathcona County. At Kingstree Plumbing, we understand how important it is to have a reliable sump pump to protect your home from water damage. Our sump pump installation service helps prevent basement flooding, mold growth, and costly repairs, keeping your home dry and safe. In Strathcona County, with its mix of urban and rural properties and varying weather conditions, proper drainage is essential, which is why our team at Kingstree Plumbing provides specialised solutions tailored to the unique needs of this community. Keep watching to see why Kingstree Plumbing is the trusted choice for sump pump installation in Strathcona County.